Get ready for a June Jamboree as GMA Pinoy TV brings you delightful reasons to celebrate Father's Month. Liezel Lopez, Hontiveros, and Max Collins taste the different flavor of romance. Recipes of love. Explore some popular summer destinations and discover hidden truths. The Araullo specials. Journey into the world of food preparation. From start to mouth-watering finish. Farm to table. Join Boyabunda for a heartfelt talk series with celebrity guests sharing stories about their moms. My Mother, My Story. Plus, great movies perfect for enjoying with dads this Father's Month.
Hindi ka nakapag-iisip na mag-asawa ulit, kids.
Sa tingin nyo, sa edad ko ito makakapanligaw pa ako.
A single dad gets a second chance at love. Tatay kung sexy.
Nag-resign. Wala na akong papa.
Wala siyang magkuha ng bagay trabaho. Siguro na nag-housework.
A young couple finds their roles reversed. My house husband, ikaw na.
Ako mga tulang alagaan yung anak ko kasi sa kamatayan niya. Anak ko siya! Hindi ko siya! Anak ko siya! Kaya inalagaan ko siya!
A loving father with a dying daughter is haunted by his dark past. Papa Mascot.
Sinabi bang malignan? Yun na yun.
Kailangan ko sabihin kay Atos.
A devoted family man faces devastating revelations about his wife. Family history.
Di ba po mga salbahe lang po yung nandito sa preso? Mabait naman po kayo, di ba?
Oo, mabait ang tatay siya.
A mentally challenged father shows unwavering love for his daughter. Miracle in cell number 7. It's gonna be a fun June Jamboree. Only on GMA Pinoy TV.